Okay, as you can see, the dirt on the floor from the floor mats that's attempting to try to make stuff clean or keep it clean is not working. This is a work truck, so it's gonna get dirty. But to solve the problem with the floorboards, I got some Lasfit. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna vacuum out the floor and see what happens with the floor mats. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum this trash out, and we're gonna install the Lasfit floor mats and see what happens. Okay, I'm still cleaning this out, but you see it's coming pretty clean. Now, I need to get this stuff right here off and get down in the cracks. So what you can do is pull this little piece up and you can get in the cracks. You can do this pretty much on any car. Okay, here we go. This is the driver's side and that's the passenger side. Look upside down. That's how the bottom ones are made. It has the holes to line up with your factory clips. And you're good to go. Let's get that when I'm at it. There we go. And as you can see, that's clean. That's clean. Just a little bit of elbow grease to get everything vacuumed. Wipe the sides down. Now we're ready for the floor mats. All right, guys, let's slide the first one in. Oh yeah, that's better already. As you can see, it covers that little footrest. So yeah, it comes all the way out to the edge. No complaints. Looks good. Okay, so we got two sides done. Now, let's get this back cleaned out. Okay, got the back clean now. Got everything sprayed down over here. Back of the seats. Told you I'm gonna clean that off. It's the best I can do. Still got scratches from the previous owner, but still looks good. Let's go ahead and drop the last one in. Okay, Here we go. As you can see, goes all the way down to the edge, so nothing can get underneath the carpet there. Goes all the way to the front, all the way against the center console, all the way to the front of that side and off the side on that side. Black interior, black floor mats. They look good. Let's see. Put my feet in here. Yeah, they're not sliding anywhere. They stand put. Looks good, don't it? There we go. Lasfit. Hey, I got dirt on it already. I told you, just getting in and out of the truck from the grass, dirt, whatever you want to call this I got in my yard. Gets the inside real dirty, as you see. All right, so let's call this a success. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Until next time, peace out.